Which Rolex watches are actually worth your money under $30,000? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Nibosi Classic Men's Watch. The Nibosi Classic Men's Watch caught my eye with its elegant design and affordable price of just $39.99. This is a great option if you want a stylish timepiece without breaking the bank. If you want a classic look that transitions smoothly from business to casual, this is worth a serious look. The precision quartz movement ensures that you won't be running late because of a faulty watch. Plus, it's made from durable stainless steel, so it not only looks premium but can withstand everyday wear and tear. With a 100 FT water resistance rating, it can handle splashes without worry, perfect for those unexpected moments in life. Here's why this matters for you specifically. A reliable watch that looks good can boost your confidence in both professional and casual settings. Now, some people complained about the weight, saying it felt a bit heavy. But here's the thing, this sturdiness translates to quality. If you're someone who enjoys a solid watch on your wrist, you might actually prefer the heft. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a stylish, budget-friendly watch that serves everyday needs. Skip this one if you're only interested in high-end luxury brands, as this is more about style than status. Now, if the affordability of the Nibosi watch bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a luxury brand. Product number 2, Rolex Seedwiller. The Rolex Seedwiller stands out with its black dial and robust stainless steel build, priced at $15,995. If you're in the market for a serious dive watch, this is worth a serious look. This model features a helium escape valve, which is crucial for saturation diving, allowing the watch to withstand depths of up to 4,000 feet. The quality of the workmanship is evident, and the luxury aesthetic elevates any outfit. Here's why this matters for you. If you need a watch that can handle extreme conditions while still looking classy, the Seedwiller is a solid choice. However, some reviews mention that the watch can feel a bit bulky for everyday wear. Now here's the thing, if you're using this as a fashion accessory, it might not be the most discreet option, but for diving and outdoor adventures, it's absolutely perfect. This is perfect for you if you're an avid diver or just want a robust watch that stands out. Skip this one if you're looking for something lightweight and understated. For the money, you're definitely getting a piece of horological excellence. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for unique style. Product number 3, Chrome Hearts X Rolex Air King. The pre-loved Chrome Hearts X Rolex Air King is a unique blend of luxury and street style, currently priced at $35,500. If you're searching for something that truly stands out, this might be worth a serious look. This watch brings a custom band that adds a touch of exclusivity, making it a great conversation starter. The craftsmanship involved in these collaborations ensures you're wearing something that not everyone can get their hands on. Here's why this matters for you. Owning a piece from this collaboration means you're not just wearing a watch, you're showcasing your unique taste. However, a few enthusiasts have pointed out that the custom aspect might not appeal to everyone. Now, some might say it's too flashy or not classic enough, but for those who love to stand out, this is a treasure. This is perfect for you if you value individuality and love statement pieces. Skip this one if you prefer traditional designs and subtlety. It's definitely a premium investment. Now, if the uniqueness of the Chrome Hearts didn't resonate with you, this next watch brings classic elegance. Product number 4, Rolex Lady Datejust. The pre-loved Rolex Lady Datejust Kakelong is a stunning choice priced at $23,500. If you're looking for timeless elegance, this is worth a serious look. This model features diamond accents that add a luxurious touch, making it perfect for special occasions or everyday wear. With a classic 26mm case, it's a lovely size that fits comfortably on the wrist. Here's why this matters for you. A watch that combines beauty and functionality is always a worthy investment, especially when it can elevate your entire outfit. That said, some users felt that the diamonds might be too much for daily wear. Now here's the thing, if you love a little sparkle, it just adds to the charm. For someone who prefers a more understated watch, this might not be the best fit. This is perfect for you if you're looking to add a touch of luxury to your everyday life. Skip this one if you're after something more casual and simple. It's a great value for a piece that's bound to impress. Alright, we've seen some stunning options, but now let's check out one more that brings a different flair. Product number 5, Tiffany & Co. Rolex Datejust. The pre-loved Tiffany & Co. Rolex Datejust is elegantly priced at $17,500. If you want a watch that speaks to luxury and sophistication, this is worth a serious look. This 26M watch features a gold case that shines with elegance, perfectly complemented by the iconic Tiffany branding. It's known for its timeless design, and the reliability of a Rolex means you won't have to worry about performance. Here's why this matters for you. Owning a piece that combines two prestigious brands not only elevates your style but also makes for a fantastic investment. However, some people question whether it's worth the price compared to other models. Now, I'll be real with you. The Tiffany branding does add a premium, but for a collector or someone who values brand history, this is a dream come true. This is perfect for you if you want a watch that embodies luxury and prestige. Skip this one if you're looking for something more casual or less expensive. You're getting incredible value for a timeless piece. In conclusion, we've explored some incredible Rolex options today. From the budget-friendly Nibosi to the luxurious Tiffany & Co., there's something here for everyone's taste and needs. We've seen a range from stylish affordability to luxury elegance today. Whether you're looking for a classic design or something unique, each of these watches has its own charm. Remember, it's about finding the right fit for your style and needs. Happy watch hunting!